Hi, I'm Saili from Crackerjack Training and Consultancy. I specialize in giving trainings in enhancing your personal effectiveness, role effectiveness, and leadership trainings as well. Today we are going to talk about how to write effective email communication. As you all know, or perhaps may have read it somewhere, that an average business professional spends about 30 hours a week either receiving emails or writing them out. Emails, though is an integral part of business communication, can end up consuming a lot of our professional time and sometimes even at home. So how about what if happens if we get to know about some common pitfalls that we could avoid when we are writing emails? Let's talk about 4 common pitfalls or avoidable mistakes that you should definitely not do while writing emails. Mistake number 1, usage of fillers. Now, fillers are words that you use in a statement that are really unnecessary. So, usage of words such as really, basically, like, so, actually. Now, these words are not needed in the statement. But in fact, if you use them, they are not just unnecessary, but they are also going to make your statements longer. And trust me, you don't need long sentences. Mistake number 2. Use of regionalism or Indianism in your email communication. Now these can actually get funny because you start using phrases or sentences in your email communication as if you're talking in your mother tongue. So some common hilarious Indianisms that I have come across in email communication, business email communication that is, are please find attached. Now you haven't lost anything that you need to find, especially not an important business attachment. Another commonly used phrase is please revert to my email. Now revert, the meaning of revert actually means going back to the original position. But people mistake its meaning to be to respond to. So you actually need to say please respond to my email and not please revert to my email. Another very funny and commonly used Indianism is I will reply to the same. Now what is this same? Nobody knows about it. Or another one which I'm sure you might be using, think about it, is my boss is gone out of station. No, your boss is gone out of town, not out of station. So these are some funny Indianisms or regionalism that you should think before you start typing out that email. Mistake number 3, usage of tautology. Now tautology are when two words having the same meaning are used together in a statement. Examples of tautology are please reply back to my email. Reply and back essentially mean the same. Another example, in my personal opinion. Now opinions are always personal. A few other examples which I'm sure you know are ATM machine or PIN number. Or when you use a dollar sign and say dollar 300 and dollars DOLLARS, or modern innovation. Now you're using two words which have the same meaning but they are not lending any value to the statement but in fact making them longer. Fourth mistake, usage of subservient words. Now subservient words are words that we used to use very frequently in the days that we used to write letters. So we are talking about maybe 10 years ago. So usage of words such as kind regards, respected sir, pardon, or sometimes even sincerely or faithfully. Now these are some words that you definitely should avoid in a business professional email. Primarily because emails these days are becoming more conversation style and a little more friendly than what we used to do in our letter writing. So these are 4 common email mistakes that you should definitely avoid. You avoid these and then you can go and review your emails. They're going to be shorter, crisper and more professional. For more information and tips, connect with me. I'm Saili Shende from Crackerjack Training and Consultancy. Thank you.